Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to bring you Royal Kashmiri Naans stuffed with dry fruits and lightly sweetened with homemade khoya. They're gonna be very exotic in flavor and very yummy. And let's start it. I need at least 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, and half teaspoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just mix all these ingredients well and knead them with water. Make a soft dough and set aside for 30 to 40 minutes or 50 minutes till double in size. And here I chopped 4 tablespoons of dates and 2 tablespoons of raisin and 4 tablespoons of crushed almonds. I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Let it soften 20 to 30 minutes. All these ingredients I have here gonna go for the stuffing of the naan. Don't forget the sweetened khoya and poppy seeds. Here my dough already double in size. Just roll it and cut in half. Keep the half part in a moist place and rest of the dough just cut in equal parts. You can have 4 to 5 pieces and roll them good. Make a small balls. Make a chakli like we make at home when we make Indian bread or tortillas. And here I'm going to keep all my stuffing together and make sure all my stuffing gonna be mixed well to make them fluffy. Don't forget the chili flakes and the poppy seeds. And I'm going to butter the dough and add my stuffing at least 2 tablespoons. With हल्के हाथ से उसको roll करना है. Just roll it with soft hand. Little bit stretching while you are rolling and make a round bun and with soft hand just roll it again with the rolling pin. And here my pan is already hot at a medium low heat. Lightly butter the pan and cook the bread. Little butter on both sides and cook till is golden brown. And wow, it looks very beautiful. You can see the color is golden brown. Rest of the naans I'm going to finish them with some different technique that should do all the time at home when you make आलू का परांठा जब बनाते हैं उसमें stuffing हम बीच में रखते हैं. Same way you're gonna put the stuffing in the middle and again roll it and pat till all the stuffing distributed. Again you can sprinkle some poppy seed and cilantro chopped and one by one all my naans gonna be ready. They're gonna be very yummy in flavor and delicious and looks very beautiful and golden brown. I like the marks of the grill on it. And guys, this is a very royal and very yummy delicious naan and I belongs to Jammu and Kashmir and I know this is a great and delicious snack can be. The best thing I like is very soft from inside and also crunchy from outside. All my naans are ready and they looks very delicious. Goes very well with the Kashmiri dum alus. There's a Kashmiri curries seasoned well with lot of good spices. And in my next video I will show you some of the Kashmiri curries how to make and I'm going to enjoy with some sweet khoya and Kashmiri kawa seasoned black tea and it also goes with some crushed almonds and it's gonna be very royal feast to enjoy. Guys, don't forget to share with your family and friends and if you like my video please subscribe my channel and share it and also keep taking care of yourself. I will see you next time. Bye.